Umoja is unity, and we usually ask kids what would be examples of unity, which would be like a family reunions or a family dinner or anything where you bring people together. So, like my grandkids say, family reunions, because that is a sign, that is an example of unity.
There's nothing but praise for that community when I was growing up because it was a place where people took care of each other. And you know that old story about it takes a community to raise a child. Well, Pondexter Village is a perfect example because the kids that I knew that I grew up with, coming by and large, were you know became very prosperous.
Yeah, I've talked a lot about the village because that's my foundation. That's my rock. That's what made Angela Pace Angela Pace. Little Lenny, who grew to be Angela Pace, would not be Angela Pace without the foundation I got at Poindexter Village. Because of, I can still feel arms around me when I think about the village. I still feel arms around me, not just my mom and my sisters and my aunt and my grandmother and my great aunt, but Miss Burgess, who lived next door. Miss Burgess, who whenever she was cooking out on the grill, I'd say, "Boy, Miss Burgess, those hot dogs sure smell good." She'd say, "Lenny, you want a hot dog?" And my grandmother would say, "Girl, stop begging. Girl, just leave her alone. Give the girl a hot dog." That kind of camaraderie and respect and love, and that's what I got from the village. All these elders who just poured their lives and their stories and their experiences and their history into me and my sister.